Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. The potency is in attraction and enjoyment. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant to be conscious of the vibrations and what is beyond the vibrations. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So, if one truly becomes a devotee, the good qualities and the bad qualities vanquish. The good qualities follow and the bad qualities vanquish. The sent ones were supposed to be the best example for all the people. It matters less what divine of what divine name or title of religion is used than the deeds and the consciousness it produces. Don't jump over the basic spiritual teachings towards the confidential and pleasurable without contexts. It's like some people, instead of the direct revelation, the direct inspiration, they look at regular conversations and that sort of thing. But the Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 10, is more specifically what's referred to there in Prabhupada's lectures. He was dead before I was born, by the way, so you're expecting him. The purpose of human existence, which starts at conception, is to understand about God. Live as if the perfection of 1 in a billion is possible. Know that by his agents and manifestations of his power in material nature. Know God by his agents and manifestations of his power in material nature. Classes are necessitated by bodily action and consciousness. Everyone has a destiny. It is better to stop expression rather than express without either knowledge nor devotion. Follow chains of causation to strengthen faith in God. Spiritual is beyond the material, and not so. But the material is not ever something that can be separated from the spiritual. Sometimes the ways of other paths are learned to convey to them universal redemption. Universal redemption is only opportunity and not vicarious. We must do our own spiritual deeds. The clinging influences to sinful activities can go beyond this life. Tales of the spiritual realms or afterlife is to make them attractive and provoke appropriate beliefs and deeds. It is not wise to judge good and evil based on what is seen as pleasing or displeasing. Marriage and other relations are not by mere bodily reactions. Ordinary people commit mistakes, have illusions, are cheating, and have imperfect senses. True scripture can't thereby be created or edited by people. Beware of ever equating God with any, even the shining beings, Deva. Be willing to worship, even in the nude state. Don't be disturbed by sensual, nor emotional, nor intellectual desires. if you are to be a preacher. All is not one, but all is from one. A soul can't kill a soul, but such can be the means to hurt the body of another. Everyone should be free to perform sacrifices and other rituals according to their means of knowledge, bodily and material. But don't put things to waste. You know, if people are starving to death, don't throw a bunch of food in the fire. Thank you very much. So, my favorite verse of chapter 7 at the moment is text 1. Sri Bhagavanu Vacha Maya Sakta Manna Partha Yogam Yunjan Marasraya Asam Sayam Samangram Mamnyata Jnasyasa Tach Churnu. The Supreme Personality of God said, "To me, have your mind attached, O son of Partha." In the self-realization of practicing in consciousness of me, completely without doubts. And then me. And this is how you can know me, through that you are trying to hear. And one thing, well, two things about Scripture that becomes clear, well, the original Scriptures, that is that sometimes people later misunderstand this person's talking about themselves. No, they're quoting God. The sent ones are supposed to be quoting God. So there's a difference. So there's some things that are going to come out different, right? Hence the term revelation. Now, inspired words can be compiled into a scripture too, but a different class of scripture, right? And another thing about these scriptures is there's supposed to be no doubt in it. Now, people have their doubts regardless of what proof is presented to them, but anyways, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari.